Children, today's agenda lesson 3, 3-1 reflection activity already we did now. Now I'm going to conduct dictation and after that we'll do annotation. Write down the heading, lesson 3. Lesson 3, major landforms. Major landforms. Mention today's date. And write down the heading, dictation. 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 Write down the heading, lesson 3, major landforms. Dictation, D-I-C-T-A-T-I-O-N, dictation. First one, I'll tell you one sentence. You need to guess the word, okay? What I'm going to give now. Okay, children? When two tectonic plates collide each other, fold mountains are formed. Can anyone guess the word? Can anyone will guess the word? You can chat in the chat box.
Yes, Arush, unmute yourself.
When two tectonic plates collide each other, fold mountains are formed. Can you guess the word what I'm going to tell? First word.
Arush.
Remaining children, you can chat in the chat box.
Arush. Okay, Aditi, unmute yourself, Aditi.
Urmila ma'am, you can see the chat box and tell me.
Yes, fold mountains.
No.
Horse, they
Horse
given.
is not there in the fold mountains.
And also they have given the answer tectonic plates.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. Who gave the answer?
Arush gave the answer.
Arush, very good. Keep it up. Yes. Now write down the spelling of tectonic plates.
Even Aditi gave the answer.
Good, very good. Now write down the spelling of tectonic plates. Tectonic plates. Tectonic plates. Can anyone tell me the spelling of tectonic plates?
Yes, Sunit, Sai Sunit, unmute yourself.
The spelling of tectonic plates is TECTOCNICPLATES.
Tectonic
Plate.
Yes. Okay, children. Tectonic plates. Second word is when two tectonic plates move away from each other, the uplifted block is called. When the two tectonic plates move away from each other, the uplifted block is called. What is uplifted block? Can you guess the second word? Host. Very good. Now write down the spelling of host. Write down the spelling of host. Now can anyone tell me? Can anyone spell the host spelling?
Shloka, unmute yourself.
HORST, teacher.
Yes, good. Very good. Next, third one. When the volcano will become active, what happens? When volcano becomes active, what happens? Can you guess the word?
Jatin, unmute yourself.
It is one of the characteristic features of volcanic eruption. When volcano becomes active, what happens? It is one of the
Yes, I
characteristic
got answer
features.
in chat box. It is eruption.
Very good. Can anyone spell eruption spelling?
Sai Madhur, unmute yourself. Sai Madhur, unmute yourself. Yes. Tell the spelling.
Teacher, can I?
Yes.
ERUPTION.
You are absolutely correct. Thank you very much. And next word. This is the one of the characteristic feature of volcanic mountain.
Yes, in chat box I got the answer, ma'am.
Yes.
Arush gave the answer, emulsification.
Very good. Very good. Arush gave the answer.
Yes.
Yes. Arush, can you give the spelling of emulsification?
Teacher, can I?
Yes.
EMULSIFICATION.
Emulsification.
FICATION.
Yes, very good. You are absolutely correct. Next word. After the volcanic eruption, after the volcano will erupt, what happens? It is one of the characteristic feature of volcanic mountain.
Sanvi, unmute yourself, Sanvi.
After the volcanic eruption, the lava comes out onto the surface. What is that process called? That is one of the characteristic features of volcanic mountain.
Teacher, I cannot hear you. Your voice is breaking, teacher.
No.
Any
our
other
voice is-
child? Any other child can give the answer. Remaining children, you can chat in the chat box.
Aditi, can you unmute yourself, Aditi? You are already unmuted.
After the volcanic eruption, the lava comes
Also, I
out
got many
the
answers in
surface.
chat box, ma'am.
Yes,
Many
ma'am.
answers are there in chat box. It is explosion. Yagna gave the
Extrusion.
answer.
You are absolutely correct. Can anyone spell this extrusion word?
Yagna.
Yagna, please.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Can you tell me the spelling of
Explosion.
extrusion?
Extrusion.
Yes.
EXTRUSION.
EXTRU. What happened? EXTRU. What happened, Yagna? Tell me. I'm unable to hear you. SION. Very good. Very good. And next word is the uppermost layer of the Earth's surface is called.
The crust.
The uppermost layer of the Earth is called.
Crust.
Crust and other name? Any other name? It is a sphere. It is one of the sphere.
Lithosphere.
Yes, very good. Srijan, can you spell the words?
LITHO
Yes.
SPHERE.
Very good, Srijan. Keep it up. Next word. When the lava comes onto the surface after the volcanic eruption, it fills into the lowlands, and also lowlands are also called as, the lava fills into lowlands, and after the volcanic eruption, when the lava comes out onto the surface, it fills into the Lowlands. These are also called as lowlands.
Lakshmi, unmute yourself, Lakshmi.
You can chat in the chat box. Lava
Yes.
fills into the,
No, it is not plains, children.
it is not plains. The lava fills into these lowlands. And starts with D. Low-lying areas. After the volcanic eruption, the lava comes onto the surface and filled into the lowlands, low-lying areas. It starts with D. The word starts with D. It is a lava plateau. This formation, this process will take place in lava plateaus. Any answers are there in the chat box, ma'am?
No, they maximum given the answer plains.
No.
Arush, unmute yourself.
Can you tell me?
Arush,
This is the process in lava plateau. After the volcanic eruption, the lava comes onto the surface and filled into the low-lying areas, and also anybody gave the answers, ma'am? It starts
no,
with
ma'am. They gave the answer Deccan Plateau. It is not that. Yes, one answer I got. 1 minute, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
Arush gave the answer depressions.
Very good,
Arush.
very good. Very good answer. You're absolutely correct. Write down the depression spelling. Depression spelling. Can anyone spell this depression spelling?
Yes,
Can
Arush,
I?
you can.
Yes.
DEPRESSION.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Keep it up, children. Good going. Next word. It is a 9th word. A piece of land surrounded by water on all sides.
Island.
Yes, very good. You can write the spelling now. Island.
ISLAND.
One second.
S is silent.
ISLAND. Very good. S silent. Very good. You're absolutely correct. Next, last word. All the living beings which live on the earth are called
Biosphere.
biosphere. One more word which we discussed. Bio. Which we discussed. We didn't discuss about biosphere. We discussed about other bio.
Yes, Santosh gave the answer biodiversity.
Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Biodiversity. All the living organisms which live on the earth. Okay. Can you spell this word? Anyone?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
BIODIVERSIT.
Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Thank you very much for your answers, children. Good going. Now, all of you check the spelling.
Okay, we got only nine words.
9.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. We
ma'am.
got
Okay.
only 9.
10th word. Yes, 10th word. This is one of the type of plane.
Type of plane.
And
Ma'am.
where the soil is deposited.
Deposited.
This is one of the type of plane which we discussed 3 times.
Deposited.
Depositional plane.
Very good, very good, very good. Write down. Depositional plane. Can anybody can spell?
DEPOSITIONAL PLAINS.
Yeah, depositional plane. Very good, very good. You can check the answers now. Spellings. Okay, children. If you did any spelling errors, you can correct it and write 3 times. Okay, misspelled words you can write, correct it and write 3 times. Okay, children. Shall we go to the annotation now? Show your thumbs up reaction. Show your thumbs up reaction, children. Yes.
Yes, for annotation one by one, I will unmute you. Okay, no need
Okay.
to say, ma'am, unmute me.
Okay. Now we are going to do textbook annotation. Children, all of you be ready with your textbook and also pencil. Pencil. You are going to frame questions. Okay. You are going to frame questions. Yes, very good. Lesson 3, major landforms, mountains, plains, plateaus, valleys. Page number 26. Sorry, 25. Unmute one student, ma'am. Unmute Srijan.
Yes. Okay, 1 minute, ma'am. Yes, Srijan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Srijan. Now you will start reading the lesson.
Major landforms. The natural features on the Earth's
First, you will
surface.
read the key terms. Okay.
Okay. Key terms. Collision. An incident in which two masses crash into each other. Continents. Large land masses on Earth. Endogenous. Internal forces deep inside the Earth responsible for the formation for the relief features. Fault.
Next.
A crack in a rock strata. Graben.
Graben is the, yes, in the block mountain, the sloped block is called graben. Okay.
The dropped blocks on a block mountain. Landforms. Land features of the Earth. Valleys. Low areas of land between hills and mountains.
Yes.
Major landforms. The natural features on the Earth's surface are known as landforms. These landforms vary in size and height. These are generally classified into 3 categories: mountains, plateaus, and plains.
Can you frame any question here?
How many landforms are classified into how many categories?
Yes, very good. Now you can frame a question here. What are landforms?
What are the natural features on the Earth's surface?
What are landforms? You can frame a question, okay? The natural features on the Earth's surface known as landforms. Children, all of you frame a question here. You write down here what are. What are. Don't write full question. What are major landforms? Okay? Answer is the natural features on the Earth's surface are known as landforms. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Underline this answer. And next, what are the different types of landforms? Mountains, plateaus, and plains. Okay, now continue. Srijan.
Mountains. Mountains are huge masses of land that rise much above the surrounding areas to great heights. They are made up of rocks and earth. They occupy about 1/4 of the total area of the earth. Some mountains are
Now you can frame a question here. Define mountain.
Define mountains.
Now you can underline the definition of mountain.
Total area of land is covered with mountains.
Yes, very good. How much land is covered with mountains? Yes.
In our total earth, we have 1/4 of land and 3/4 of water, no teacher?
Yes.
Then how 1/4 of mountains are coming?
71% of the water is present on the earth. Remaining 29%. In that 29, it is 1/4 mountains.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now next. Continue.
Mountains are also found under the sea. Mountains rise to great heights, more than 900 meters, in comparison to their surrounding areas. The mountain tops are known as peaks.
Now you can frame a question here. What are peaks?
What are peaks?
Underline, the mountain tops are known as peaks. Next, continue.
Mountain rise to how many meters?
Yes, very good. You can frame question like that also. Mountains rise to great height more than 900 meters. This is the answer. Next. Continue.
A peak may be pointed or rounded, depending upon the age of the mountain. The base of a mountain is generally wide. Mountains have steep sloping sides and
Sharp and
sharp and
slightly rounded ridges.
and peaks.
Yes.
Mountains may be rocky and barren. Some have trees growing on their side. Very high mountains have snow on their peaks. Mountains have slopes that run from the peak to the base. Most of the mountains are in the form of mountain ranges.
Now you can frame a question here. What are the characteristics of mountains? Okay. Any two characteristics you can write. Next.
A mountain range is a system of mountains and hills having peaks and valleys arranged in a line, stretching over hundreds of kilometers. Many parallel, long and narrow ranges are together called a mountain chain.
Now you can frame a question here.
What is a mountain range?
Very good.
And what is a mountain chain?
Very good. Now one more question also you can frame.
Mountain range and mountain chain.
Very good. What is the difference between mountain range and mountain chains? Very good. Now, any other child, ma'am? Thank you very much, Region.
Yes, 1 minute, ma'am. Arush, unmute yourself. He's unable to unmute. Okay, Hansini, unmute yourself.
Yajna, want to continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Hansini, yes, Hansini.
Yes,
On the basis of the
yes.
On the basis of the origin, the mountains are three types: fold mountains, block mountains,
Volcanic mountain.
volcanic mountains, fold mountains.
Hansini, please switch on your video, no?
Ma'am, I have a camera problem, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Continue. Now read fold mountains.
Fold mountains. Fold mountains are two types: young fold mountains and old fold mountains. Fold mountains are formed by a collision between two tectonic plates. A deep
Yes, continue.
the Earth's surfaces, the movement of the fold mountains is mainly horizontal and cause fold mountains are
Wrinkles.
wrinkles.
Now you can frame a question here. What are the two types of fold mountains? Okay. And next question also you can frame here. How fold mountains are formed? Fold mountains are formed by the collision between two tectonic plates deep beneath the Earth's surface. Okay, this is the answer. Two questions you can frame here. And next, continue.
These mountains generally comprise parallel ranges or ridges. Most of the mountains in the world are fold mountains.
Next, unmute one more student, ma'am. Meanwhile, you continue.
Yes, I'm unmuted.
Characteristics of young fold mountains.
Characteristics of young fold mountains.
Characteristics of young fold mountains.
Yes, Shloka, continue. Hansini, thank you very much.
Characteristics of young fold mountains. Young fold mountains consists of great thickness of low density continental shale.
Continental soil. Soil is nothing but uppermost layer of the Earth's surface. Yes.
Including granite,
Glaciers,
igneous
Type
and
of rock.
sedimentary
Yes.
rocks. The Alps have a
Soil.
soil thickness of
SiAl
10
means
kilometers.
Si means silicon, Al means aluminium. Okay, aluminium. Soil.
A soil thickness of 10 kilometers. Teacher, I have a question, teacher, here. How
Yes.
much thickness is an Alp soil have?
Yes. Very good.
The 10 kilometers, teacher.
Yes. Yes. Good. Next, continue.
These mountains generally exceed heights of 3,000 meters above sea level, and highest peaks rise above 8,000 meters. Mount Everest.
Continue.
The main belts of the Yangtze Mountains are found on the western margins of North and South America. They also occur in a zone from southern Europe to northern India.
Next.
From where did the belts of Yangtze Mountains occur?
Very
In the
good.
western side and the north.
Very good.
From
Next question. Next
The
paragraph.
The highest mountain system of present day are the Himalayas of India, the
Andes of South
Andes
America.
of Southern America, the
South
Alps
America.
of
South America.
South America, the Alps of Southern Europe, Rockies, and the Great
Dividing range.
Dividing Range.
Great dividing range.
What are the examples of Yangtze Mountains?
Yes, very good.
The
Very good.
Himalayas of India.
Yes, these are the
the Andes.
examples. Very good. One more question also you can frame here. What are the characteristic features of Yangtze Mountains? Any two characteristics you can write. Okay. Next, unmute one more student, ma'am. Shloka, thank you.
Shall I mute
Yes.
myself, teacher?
Yeah, you can mute.
Yes, Yagna, continue.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ca-
Characteristics of
Characteristics of old fold mountains. Old fold mountains are low in height and have rounded peaks. Old fold mountains are eroded. This erosion takes place over a long span of time. Some old fold mountains in the world are the Urals and
Appalachians.
what is the Appalachians and the Aravallis.
Appalachians in North America. Okay.
Appalachians and the
Urals in Europe.
Aravallis.
Aravallis in India. Now, can you frame a question here?
We can frame that what are the characteristics of old fold mountains,
Very good. Next.
and we can write that
Give some
we
examples.
can keep and fill in the blanks also, ma'am. Old
Give
fold
some-
mountains are low in height and have dash
Yes.
peaks.
Yes. Give some examples of old fold mountains.
Old fold
What are
mountains.
the examples? Urals, Appalachians, and Aravallis. Okay. Next, faulting.
Indicator of tensional forces. These can be small or form extensive rift valley systems.
Where are you
such as
reading?
the
Where are you
east-
reading, ma? Page number 27. Faulting.
Sorry, teacher. Faulting. Faults in a plate are usually parallel to each other. They run up and down the plate in an area called the fault zone. We can write the define of write what
Yes.
is a fault zone.
Fault zone. Very good. Next.
There are two big types of faults: dip slips and strike slips.
You can
Dip
frame a
slips
question
and
here.
strike slips. What are the two types of faults?
Very good. Yes.
Fault,
Continue.
fault blocks are very large blocks of rock, sometimes hundreds of kilometers in extent, created by tectonic and localized stresses
In the
in the Earth's crust.
Sukarna ma'am.
Large areas of bedrock are
Yes.
broken up
Sukarna ma'am.
into blocks by
Yes.
Sorry for
faults.
the interruption. Please, 1 minute, Yagna. Yes, it is already 1 minute 53 seconds. And can you just make the announcement about that Calido?
1 second. Okay, children, we'll continue in the next class.